The Caterpillar D12 Bulldozer is a machine that has earned its place as one of the most powerful and durable pieces of equipment in the world of construction and heavy machinery. When you think of massive earth-moving capabilities, the D12 comes to mind as a true workhorse. But what makes this particular bulldozer stand out among the competition? Let's dive into the features, history, and real-world applications of the D12 and explore why it's a favorite for so many industries. First, let's talk about the power of the Caterpillar D12. Equipped with a robust engine capable of delivering impressive horsepower, it has the muscle to tackle even the toughest jobs. Whether it's pushing massive amounts of dirt, leveling large areas, or working through rocky and uneven terrain, the D12 bulldozer's engine ensures that it won't back down from any challenge. The heavy-duty engine is paired with advanced hydraulics, allowing for precise control when handling a variety of tasks. The design of the D12 is another feature that sets it apart. Built to handle the most extreme conditions, the D12 comes with enhanced durability. Its undercarriage is reinforced to provide stability on any surface, whether it's a muddy construction site or a rocky mountain slope. The large tracks ensure that the bulldozer can stay stable and efficient under heavy loads. The operator's cabin is another standout feature, designed with comfort and safety in mind. The D12 provides excellent visibility of the worksite, which is critical when navigating tight or hazardous areas. The seat is adjustable, ensuring that operators of different sizes can work comfortably for extended hours. Furthermore, the controls are ergonomically designed to reduce fatigue and increase productivity. The versatility of the Caterpillar D12 is also worth mentioning. It's not just about pushing dirt, it's about the many attachments that can be used with this bulldozer. From ripper blades to a variety of other implements, the D12 can be customized for any task. This adaptability makes the D12 suitable for a wide range of projects, including mining, road construction, and even forestry. Another reason for its popularity is the machine's fuel efficiency. Despite its massive size and power, the D12 is designed to consume fuel efficiently, saving money over the long term. Lower operational costs combined with its ability to perform at high levels make it a top choice for companies seeking reliability and performance. Let's not forget the Caterpillar brand reputation. Known for making durable, reliable, and high-performance machinery, Caterpillar has earned the trust of construction companies worldwide. The D12 is no exception. Maintenance and serviceability are made easy with Caterpillar's extensive dealer network, meaning parts and expertise are never far away when needed. So, what does all this mean for construction and mining projects? In simple terms, the D12 bulldozer brings power, precision, and versatility to the job site. Its strength and reliability allow companies to get the job done faster and more efficiently. Whether you're working on a massive construction site or tackling smaller, more intricate tasks, the D12 is the bulldozer you want to have on hand. If you've enjoyed learning about the Caterpillar D12, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews and machinery breakdowns. We'll continue to bring you the latest insights into the world of heavy equipment and help you discover the right tools for the job. Thanks for watching.